Ogoni cleanup. President Muhammed Buhari don't meet with Minister for Environment unto say him want Ogbonge strategies for the project. Minister for Environment Muhammed don yarn tori pipo for State House Abuja on Thursday after one closed-door talk with Oga Buhari say the hydrocarbon pollution remediation project wey be aka Ogoni cleanup na the major concern for this government based on the promise wey Buhari make to deliver Ogbonge clean ecosystem for the Ogoni people.
It's a major priority of this government, and particularly based on the undertaking and the promises made by Mr. President to deliver a very clean ecosystem for the Ogoni people. So I have updated the President on that, and the key understanding is that we are focused on delivery. He has given us marching orders to ensure that the concerns raised by the partners, particularly Shell, UNEP, AGIP, Total, and other parties, and indeed the stakeholders themselves of the Ogoni land, that those concerns are addressed to ensure that the process goes unhindered. We are directed, particularly by the President, to be very focused and fix our eyes on the ball to ensure there are no distractions, that we deliver.
The minister come tok how im take yarn Oga Buhari for the progress wey dem don make so far, say the projects dey in phases and dem don clean up 10 before polluted areas, and the Naija government dey make plans to make sure say dem deliver the projects kiakia.
So Mr. President has directed us to hold Council of States, of member states of the Pan-African Great Green Wall, to hold a meeting on the 16th of June this year, to prepare an agenda for the eventual meeting of the Conference of Heads of States and Governments, to one, look at the budget and strategic plan for this year for the member states, and then to ensure that we have modalities to access the over 16.2 billion euros that is available from funding partners of the project to support the processes of ensuring that we have a long belt across the Sahel to stop this desert encroachment. He has agreed at a later date to launch a multifaceted national tree planting campaign where the governors will be involved so that they can also replicate same in their states, and as well as local government chairmen and traditional rulers. And of course, I briefed Mr. President on AgriSub project. Essentially, the program is focused on making uncultivatable land to be cultivatable, to make sure that people have access to clean water, to make sure that there will be usage of our land resources.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.